In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Merging cells is a simple way to create clean professional headers or labels that span across multiple columns or rows. It's perfect for titles at the top of a table, section headers on dashboards, or anytime you want a single larger cell to cover a group of smaller ones. I'll walk you through the process and share a few important reminders so you get exactly the result you want. First, select the cells you want to merge. Click into your sheet, then click and drag across the adjacent cells you'd like to combine. Make sure your selection forms a continuous rectangle. Merging works only with a contiguous block of cells. It's also a good idea to check what's inside those cells before you merge. Google Sheets will keep only the content from the upper left cell of your selection and remove the rest. If there's information in other cells you still need, copy it somewhere safe first so you don't lose it. Once your cells are highlighted, click the Merge Cells button on the toolbar. With one click, Sheets will combine your selection into a single larger cell. If there's conflicting content in the selection, you may see a small notice letting you know that only the upper left value will remain. Confirm that you're okay with that and proceed. After the merge, you'll see one big cell spanning the exact area you selected. Any text from that upper left cell will now display inside the merge cell. At this point, your merge cell is functionally a single cell referenced by the address of its upper left corner. That means formulas and formatting will treat it as one unit. If you're using this for a header, you might want to adjust the text alignment or wrapping to center it and make it look polished. You can also tweak font size, borders, and fill color to help the header stand out. A quick word of caution: merged cells can interfere with operations like sorting and filtering when they're placed inside a data table. To keep everything working smoothly, reserve merges for titles or labels above or alongside your data rather than inside the rows you plan to sort. And that's it. Highlight the cells, then click Merge Cells. With these two steps and a little formatting finesse, you'll have clear, well-structured headers that make your sheet easier to read and more professional.